do an emergency descent, you would do this if you had an engine fire. Or you wanted to get through a hole in the cloud. So what we're going to do is going to pull the power to idle, flaps, full flaps to 40 degrees, and then we're going to do a 45 degree bank to the left, and we're going to descend at 90 knots. So here we go now, and we're going to roll out at 2,500, so just over 1,000 feet, just to demonstrate it. So power off, speed check, flaps are good, 1, 2, 3, 45 degrees, holding it, letting the speed build up, 45 degrees, we're coming down, 45 degrees, 90 knots, hold that pitch, hold the pitch for 90 knots, 45 degrees, good rate of descent, holding it there, looking out, remember it's an emergency manoeuvre, so looking outside VFR manoeuvre, so we're looking for other traffic. Okay, so we're going to recover now. So recover, wings level, full power, right rudder, drag flap away, just hold it there. Stage flaps, and 0.